Hey everyone, so for my love of sushi, I'm going to have salmon nigiri. It's not actually, salmon nigiri is actually from Norway, but it became a trend in Japan quite recently. But yeah, here we go. I love salmon sushi. Yep. And as you can see, it's all there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And here we go. I could put some soy sauce on it a little bit. You know, maybe it's a little bit nice. Sometimes it comes with ginger. Ginger's always delicious. So here we go. Delicious salmon sushi, if you can see. Don't want to drip it on my computer, but there it is. Delicious. It's actually seared, so it's not raw. It's like called Aburi, so it's like seared. Absolutely delicious. I could eat salmon every day for my source of protein. Look, there it is. Salmon sushi again. And I'm left-handed. I use the chopsticks in my left hand. So, yeah, it's absolutely fabulous. This is really delicious. In one of my other videos, I'll be talking about chicken katsu curry and the history of it. But for now, this is so delicious. Yeah. A little bit more soy sauce on it. Usually with the nigiri, you're supposed to use your hand and kind of like dip it in the soy sauce and put a little bit of wasabi underneath the salmon. But it's fine just to do it like this. Just have some water. Oopsies, that was not good. Because the weight of this last piece of salmon, the plastic thing fell on me. Yeah. Itadakimasu. Otsukare-sama desu. You're supposed to say that afterwards, but you know. Oh, that was so delicious. Okay. Thanks for watching me eat that delicious salmon. And there'll be more salmon videos to come with sushi, and yeah, see ya.